Why do we love limited partnerships? Well, limited partnerships often are the heart of your plan when you're ready for it. Limited partnerships offer a great flexibility, and it's a holding company of all your other holding companies themselves. It offers greater asset protection because limited partnerships can only be created in one way, unlike LLCs. Remember, in litigation, we want certainty, and limited partnerships provide us that certainty. There's only one way to create them. There's always a general partner. The general partner is the one that has all the risk associated. If there's ever a lawsuit, the general partner is getting sued. And again, we protect you from that general partnership. That's one of the big mistakes that I see many make whenever they're doing a limited partnership is they will have the general partnership interest in the client's name. That's foolish because you're exposing your client unnecessarily to lawsuits, and you're also exposing that general partnership interest to the client's lawsuits personally. But the other kind of partner is a limited partner. This is the passive investor. This party or person has no exposure to a lawsuit. So it's very different from an LLC. They've also been around much longer. LLCs are relatively new. They've been only around for less than 50 years, whereas limited partnerships have been around for hundreds of years. They are tried and true in the courts. Judges like them because, again, there's only one way to create them, whereas with LLC, there's a myriad of ways to create them. The judge has to decipher through an operating agreement to see how this was particularly created. Is it manager managed, member managed? What kind of rules and machinations are inside this operating agreement? So we love limited partnership, especially based here in Arizona. Arizona, I believe, is the best jurisdiction for limited partnerships, just like I believe Wyoming is the best jurisdiction for holding LLCs. So yes, limited partnerships are fantastic. They are more expensive to create than an LLC. So most of my clients aren't ready necessarily for a limited partnership when they begin investing, but we do like to add the limited partnership above the holding company in Wyoming whenever the client can afford to do so, or their risk tolerance really warrant that additional layer.